I got a new item here for this year called Solar Rain 30 Shots by AFW. Now, this is supposed to be a replacement for a very popular cake known as Sun Shower. I'm pretty sure a lot of WF Boom fanatics will remember that cake. That cake is pretty much being phased out. And so this year they decided to bring in a replacement for it, and it's called Solar Rain. And let me see. Performance on it here is fast firing, gold glittering willows, 5-shot finale. I think this may be a little bit faster than Sun Shower. I have never purchased Sun Shower to really know for sure, but at least from the videos that I saw, it was kind of fast paced. So it'll be interesting to see how this compares to the previous cake that they had in terms of Sun Shower, and now with this cake, Solar Rain. So we got Solar Rain by AFW, the replacement for Sun Shower.